What are you doing, dude?
I'm playing in the snow.
Yeah.
Oh, Ninja, alright.
Where's your brother? Oh, there he is. Hello, little man. Hi. You having fun in the snow? It's nice fluffy snow.
Yes, some nice good stuff. Just careful near the rocks, guys. Okay, come on, over here, honey. Over here, dude. Anywhere over there. Got a whole big yard. Anywhere but the rocks are good.
A snow bucket.
Yeah, don't forget it.
Oh, this one's cold. I will get something else.
Dylan, say snow.
Snow! Got it? Oh, the big...
I want to get this one out there.
Okay, let's get rid of the stand. Come on, let's go.
Yeah, it's going to snow. This slide.
Yeah, just good for the socks. Should have worn my boots. Yeah, you got Tim's on.
Alex, snow boots on.
Yeah, snow boots work good. Connor, did you make a snow angel yet?
Yes, it's right over there.
Over where?
Right there.
Where?
Right over on that grass.
Where?
See over that grass?
Grass?
Yeah,
Where? Over here?
over there.
Yeah?
See?
I don't see it. Guys, it's a snowplow. See the snowplow?
It's okay. It's okay.
It's okay. It's okay.
I like it.
Dylan's a little scared. He's not sure what it is. It's snowplow. Wave hi. What are you guys doing?
We're digging.
Cool.
Dada,
Yeah?
our snow thing is all filled up.
You need me to empty it? Can I see it? Let's get it on tape. Filled up the whole bucket? Dylan! Dylan!
Michael got it.
Dylan!